Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody that joined my live yesterday. It was super fun. Happy to see. It was really cool seeing that weekly close bullish, and everybody freaking out and stuff, which was awesome. Second of all, I'd like to thank my sponsor, me. Please, I'll drop the link on the in the description, and I'll pin it in the comments so you guys can join. But and third of all, I am 100% bullish on crypto overall, mostly also Bitcoin, but overall I am officially 100% bullish, and I am, at least for the way that I trade, I'm officially calling the bottom of 34K whatever we did, right? But as soon as this weekly close bullish, right, we have this little we have the stochastic already oversold, returning back up to the 20 level, right? And then we also have that red bubble that got created yesterday during the live at 4 o'clock p.m., right? And as you guys know, this is what I consider a perfect entry for my indicators for the TA, basically, right? Happened back here, right? It happened around this area, around 35, 34K last time. And then we basically ran up to 51, 52K, came back down the weekly close of the bear week, and then ran all the way up to like 69K, right? And I think right now, my forecast within the next 70 days or so, by like mid-April, is as of right now 59K. That's my forecast right now. That's what I think is possibly going to happen. There seems to be a lot of resistance at this 43K level. I know there's trend right there, right? But there is, watch. I'm pretty sure there is Binance Bitstamp. Pretty sure it's Bitstamp. Weekly. There you go. See, there's a lot of resistance on that trend, right? On that major trend that we had. So that has to get broken fairly quickly, or, there's a big chance that we can dump all the way back down. But again, essentially what happened is you broke candle, you came down, you closed, came back and retest, and you actually need to break above 43K, because as of right now, this would actually be the perfect time to short. If you were short on something, this would be the perfect time to short, because you came back and retested under that trend. This would be my forecast. April, I created this back in I think early January. This is when I created my divergence forecast. If I was trading this on divergence, right? More than likely my initial target, let me see if I can do this a little bit lower. No, that's about right. Yeah. If I'm doing divergence, my original target is going to be somewhere between 80K and 93K by April 11th. I don't know if that's going to happen, but right now there's a lot of resistance on that major trend, right? From that started, all the way back on, November of last year. So it is a major trend, right? Or 2 years ago, sorry. But as of right now, yeah, 100% bullish. 100% bullish on all crypto. No reason for me to be bearish right now at all. But although you do have this, we could technically get reversed out at 43K, because it does seem like it's hitting a lot of resistance, and we're going to be closing a 4-hour bear trigger right now. So technically in 3 hours and 17 minutes, if there is no reversal, right? If there is no push to above 43K, I would probably take the short. Right? I would probably take the short right here, possibly ride it down to trend, and then get out here, or possibly get out when the stochastic hits the 20 mark, and then probably get in here and then run it back up, right? But as of right now, 100% bullish. I don't care if we retrace. As of right now, I am thinking that we are going to be going back to like the 657, 60K mark. That's what I think. And I think it's going to happen by mid-ish April, sometime in April. I just wanted, this isn't even a TA video. It's more of an update on what I think on Bitcoin right now. But yeah, I'm 100% bullish on all crypto. Can't really deny that right now. It already hit exactly what I needed. You can probably see retraces and all that stuff right now. But as far as momentum goes and as far as direction, I think right now we're basically, our bottom basically got created back here at 33K. And I think from here on, it's just up. You might see fluctuations of up, down, whatever. But as of right now, I'm fully bullish. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.